Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix file system error. Code is -8053059755 in Windows 11. So guys, it's very easy and simple method. So first you need to click on start. Now type command prompt as short form CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrators. Now we need to type SFC space slash scan. Now press enter. After this processor will be completed, this percentage is to this 100%. So need to type second command. If you comment, so I will give in description box this command line. Copy and paste it. Is this completed? After this completed, now paste it and click on enter. After this whole process will be completed, restart your PC or laptop. Now after restart, your all problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.